What's up? So today, in this video, I'm gonna be making cookies just because I want to make them. And sorry if this distracts you. It's my eye black from my baseball game yesterday. And I had eye black, so sorry if that distracts you while I'm making cookies. Okay, so let's get to it. So 2 sticks of butter. Brown sugar, 3/4 cup. The brown sugar, I'm gonna freeze it, okay? Now, I need some sugar. Okay, so now, put 3. Now time for the other sugar. 1, 2, 3. Now, put the butter in. 1 whole stick of butter. 2 whole sticks of butter. Now, have all the stuff. Now, you start. Put it in. Put the cover on. And hopefully this doesn't spin. Lock it in. And go to the middle one. Okay. Nothing. I'm gonna go over here. And bagel. Okay, I'm gonna 2 eggs. Oh yeah, why don't eggs tell each other jokes? Because they'll crack each other up. 1 teaspoon, right? 1 teaspoon, okay. Now for okay, now I got 5 teaspoons of vanilla. Pour it in there with that. Now we're gonna beat it. Okay, now it's time to beat you up. Ready? Stir. Beat. Finished. Now, time to. Okay, now I'm over here. Wait, where's my bowl? Oh, there's my bowl. Okay, so now. Wait, how do I do? Okay, time for next. Okay, 2.5 cups of flour. Now it's time to scoop that flour. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, there's 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A pinch of baking powder. Put that in. Okay, now now stir in chocolate chips. Chop. Okay, so that's 2 there. So that seems about like half of the bag. There. Now it's perfect. Okay. Now. Okay, now we're scooping it. Under it. We have a cookie dough scooper. I'm gonna be using that. But first I need to clean this. 36 cookies. 1, 12, 24, 36. And this is how they turned out. So that one still needs to be cooked more, but they were cooked at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. And this is how they look. They look pretty good. I can't eat them because they're too hot, but they look good, right? So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Hit that like, subscribe, notification, so then you know whenever I post a video. See ya next time. Peace.